Hello everyone! Thank you for joining us today for our Crafternoon video. My name is Miss Helen and I'm the Youth Services Coordinator. So once again, we're having a good Crafternoon where we do our craft in the afternoon. So we handed out some take-home, take-and-make kits this week for doing our wooden sea creature craft activity. So we have today an octopus and a seahorse that I'll be painting and decorating. So anyone who got a take and make kit will have different sea creatures inside their bag. You may not have an octopus or a seahorse, but you might have another one. So we're still going to be talking about the same type of craft activity, just everyone might have different colors and different sea creatures. So everyone was given 2 different sea creatures, 2 colors of paint, a bag of sequins and jewels, and a foam sponge. So mine is yellow, but everyone else received a black one. I also have for my craft, from my supply closet, Elmer's glue and a small cup of water to rinse my brush in between using colors. We did not include glue in your package. We're hoping that you have glue at home to help with your decorating. All right, let's get started. The paint that we have is tempera paint. It's nice and bright, and you can use water to help make more of it. You can add water to your cup. That looks great. Now I'm going to pick out some jewels and sequins to decorate it. Comes our seahorse. And so that is how 2 colors of paint, some sequins, water, and glue helped us to make our sea creatures. Thank you so much for joining us. We'll see you next time. Bye.